Salwa Peterson, and today I'm starting, after the introduction of last week, my series about giving you all the information you need to know about your hair to retain your maximum hair growth potential and hairline retention. And today I'm going to really go through the basic, explain to you what really is hair, how it grows, so we're really on the same page about what we're talking about. And I would like to thank everyone who has emailed me directly with your questions. I replied to everybody's emails, and I also use your questions to do the videos here. And also thank you for all your comments you're there. I really love hearing from you guys, so please keep contacting me. I really love hearing from you. And sometimes during this video I'll be announcing the winner of this week's last week. Then this week I'm announcing from last week Chebe giveaway and give you the instruction for this week's chance to win authentic Chebe powder from Chad. Alright, so for this today I will tell you, I want to ask you a question actually. What is hair? And hair is actually two different things. It's two different parts. So you have a part on the scalp that goes under, and you have a follicle that is that little bulb that you see when you pull hair. And when it's hair that is still alive, it will be whitish gray. So that's the first part. The second part is that filamentous part of it. You know, that what we call hair, it's the hair shafts. And the hair shaft itself has three different parts. There is the outer layer, which is called the cuticle. Middle is the cortex, and then you have a medulla at the heart of it. So this is how hair is defined. And hair itself is, you know, that cuticle when it's healthy, it's smooth. And then it's like scales when you look under a microscope. It's actually quite fascinating. And then when it's damaged, those scales get raised slowly, and then you start to see holes in there. And then it eventually breaks. And that's how you sometimes have a feeling that hair is actually not growing, while it's actually breaking faster than what is growing. And the idea then is, when you use a product like Chebe, is to mend and put back together those hairs. And I'll also mention some other ingredients that are really important that will help you bring back together your hair and keep it away from falling and breaking. So, and hair is important to know also is made up of 97% of protein called keratin. And I know there is a whole thing about the Brazilian keratin, but that's a different, it's just a marketing name. So, but the keratin we're talking about here is what also actually makes up your nails and the skin. Is a really important ingredient to look for. Some very good plant-based sources of it are rice. Rice protein is excellent, and also soy is a really good source of, if you're looking for strengthening protein. They're very close to the hair keratin itself. Those are two ingredients, and the remaining 3% are made of ceramides and also of fatty acids and things. And ceramide is actually a really interesting ingredient, and I love it because it's the only one, at least one of the ones that has been the most proven to mend back together hair that have been damaged. So you really want to look at ceramides and ingredients when you're shopping for beauty products as well, or if you're doing yourself, if you can buy ceramides. Because it literally, so the hair, as I told you, it's those shafts, and they get raised when they get damaged, and it really helps to band them back together. Ceramide, it's an extraordinary ingredient. It's very expensive, but it's one that really delivers results. And now the moment we have been all waiting for, we'll be announcing the winner of this week's Chebe contest. Thank you again everyone who entered. Thank you so much. It's so nice to see so many of you who want to try this extraordinary product from my home country of Chad. So the winner is, drumroll please,
Brandy Brown.
Congratulations. Please send an email to petersonsalwa@gmail.com with your full name, address, and contact details. And I will be then putting together and shipping your package to you with DHL Express International. Thank you again. And for those of you who did not win, you now know the drill. Link will be in the description. So number 1, you have to be at least 18 years old, 2 resident of any country, and 3 follow the instructions. And remember, the more you play, the more you win. So good luck everyone. And if you're enjoying this video, make sure to watch my new video next week. I will be continuing to tell you more about hair and share my very best tip or how you can reach your maximum length. And again, do not hesitate if you have questions. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, if you haven't done so, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Sarah Peterson. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and at Sarah Peterson. So thank you again and see you soon. Bye.